Hey everyone, this is Michael Siegenthaler with this next tutorial of Skits. I want to talk a little bit about talent. Talent is another word for hard work. It isn't something that you're born with. It isn't something that you're blessed with, in my opinion. Talent comes from hard work. I can't tell you how many times I've heard, "Oh, you're talented. I wish I could do that. Oh, you're so talented. If only I could do that, I'd be." Anyone can get to a certain point when doing art. It just takes a ton of time, patience. You spend a lot of time alone. When I was in junior high, I remember when I first got there that there were all these kids that were a lot better than me at drawing. It was something that I really, really wanted to do, and I just started getting into it in sixth grade. And then when I went to the junior high in seventh grade, I was it was my first time ever having real drawing and art classes. There are probably about a dozen kids who I thought was amazing. They were way, way better than me, and I just wanted to be able to do what they could do. So what I did is I spent a lot of time drawing. I just drew whatever I was around me, whatever interested me. At that time, I was really into comics. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles had just been out. I really enjoyed that, so I drew that a lot. And the funny thing is by the time I was done with eighth grade, all those kids I was looking at that were way better than me, I found out that my stuff started looking better than theirs. Same thing happened when I went on to high school. I went to high school, and there were all these kids who I saw in the drawing classes that were just amazing. It's like, man, these guys are really good. Man, these guys are really good. But every day I was at home and I was doing what I wanted to do, which was drawing. I really, really liked drawing and painting, so that's what I did. I did it every single day. I'd go home and at least spend an hour or two every evening drawing or painting or trying to paint or doing something that I found really enjoyable. And lo and behold, after 4 years, I was that guy. Everyone was looking at me saying, "Wow, he's really, really good," and stuff, you know. And then I would hear someone say, "Well, he's got talent. He's got talent." No, I didn't have talent. I just pursued something that I really, really enjoyed. I decided I was gonna buckle down and do the best I could at this. That was something that really, really was important to me at the time. So I worked hard every day, and eventually I got better. You got to spend a ton of time if you want to get better at anything, much less drawing or painting or something like that. I mean, if you want to get better at working on cars, you need that experience. If you want to get better at, say, working in an office, you got to learn to do all the things that are involved in working in an office. And it's the same with drawing. It just doesn't happen. And the funniest part about that is once you actually start talking to someone about that, and tell them, "Hey, you can do this too," and they go, "Oh no, I could never do that. I could never do that." And you say, "Well, here's what you need to do. You need to spend an hour every day doing it, and you need to do it for about 4 or 5 years. And then lo and behold, you're really good at it." But the truth is, people don't have the patience. They just don't have the patience to sit there and actually do that. Thanks for watching. The next part of this tutorial is coming up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, and check out our other videos.